I'm a big podcast guy. A lot of people watch the news, listen to podcasts. Everything that you hear, no matter what type of media you turn on, it's AI, right? How AI is coming to take our jobs.
But while the headlines focus on what AI might replace, there's a quieter conversation happening about the work it can't. Jobs that still require judgment, precision, and a human in the seat.
Right now, parents are having these conversations with their kids saying, why don't you go be an electrician, right? Why don't you go be a plumber? What needs to happen is this needs to be part of that conversation. Why don't you go become an operator?
Being an operator isn't just about running a machine. It's about problem solving, decision making, and taking responsibility for real outcomes in real environments. It's a career that offers consistency, demand, and a clear path forward. And that's why this conversation belongs alongside every other skilled trade.
That's what this is too, right? There's no point is AI going to take this over. No point, right? So this is an AI-proof job.
Today, many people spend tens of thousands of dollars on a college degree, often without a clear path to a job and in a workforce that's changing fast. This program is a fraction of that cost, and it leads to a real, in-demand career that requires a human in the seat.